We are pleased to show you the 2022 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, clock, compass, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.